Hello guys. Now we stopped last time at this thing and we say that you have four parts. One part here which is you can go directly to any ETF, to any mutual funds, or to the market, or to the Nasdaq stocks, or to whatever you want to go here. Or you can go to any sector, any industry, and any stock. Okay? The second one is you put your portfolio. You just add new, as I told you before here, new, and you put your name of the portfolio. Okay? And then you just click OK, and then you have new portfolio. Now the third one is news. Okay, we have seen all this. Now today, let's say you you don't need to see this on the top and on the top. You just slide this down. You click on this until you see this arrow, and you slide it down like this, so you don't see it. And okay, let's say you take this up here. So what you are going to see, you are going to see only your portfolio. Okay, only your portfolio. We have stocks, we have indexes, we have stuff like this. So sometimes I put stocks like into a list and I forgot about them. This is a long time ago. Okay, now let's now go to the most important thing, which is the chart itself. Okay, now on the bottom there is a thing that you can change the chart. Okay, let's see here. Let's put Apple, for example. Now, how do you get these things that you see green and red are called candlestick. Candlestick, it is an idea or concept brought from the Japanese. Okay, they use this candlestick. So most of the time people, they don't know about this, but it was important, and all the people like it, and that's why we use it. Now if you want to change the way it looks like, okay, before we go to that, we try just to see what's these. Apple here, if you click Apple, it's the stock. If you want, for example, to change to Twitter, here is Twitter, you find it, click that, okay, you find Twitter. Okay, now you have also, you can see from your list Apple, Facebook, Twitter, and these indexes. Okay, so let's say we click on Apple again, on Facebook. Okay, now add an indicator. If you click add an indicator, you have all the indicators that you know, some of them, okay, MACD and momentum, but all these that you see here, there are a lot. Okay, all these are small strategies that the people some traders have published before, and they become an indicator. Almost are based on price. Okay, except the volume, which is how many shares traded a day. So all these that you see here, you might know some and you might use some, but for me as a trader, I don't use them at all. I don't use them, and you may be astonished how I don't use this. Even volume, I don't use it. I will show you how I use volume later. Okay, so this is the indicator. You can use any indicator you like, and you use, for example, RSI. You will have RSI here. So we are not interested in those stuff, so we should take it. Okay, take it from our chart. So as you can see, my chart is clean. It's so nice, so good. There is no lines, there is nothing, there is no clouds, there is nothing. This is how I trade. Now here, there is what we call draw. Draw, it means anything that you want to put Okay, there are some indicators also. Now for me, I will show you later how I use in order to plan the trade. But for right now, I'm going to show you more and more. Now, daily here, what does it mean? Daily, it means that the candlestick that you see is the day. You click here, 24 November 2017, it means today, Friday. Okay? So when you click on this candlestick, you can see 4 information. The open, the high, the low, and the last. The last, it means the last price that the stock was bought with, and if it is 4 o'clock, it will be the last price for the day. The open, it means at 9:30, the price open with that price. The high, it means where the highest of the day the price has gone. And the low, it's the opposite. What is the low of the day? Okay? So this is for the candlestick itself. Now you find, for example, candlesticks, some are red, some are green. Green, it means that the stock has been going up compared to yesterday close. So this is, I will show you later in this setting to understand what I mean. Now, if you, for example, you are a day trader, you are not going to use daily because you don't count with the day, you count with minutes. So you can click that and you find 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Each candlestick, let's say we take 5 minutes. Now each candlestick will show you, okay, will show you what? It will show you the information of this 5 minutes. It has an open, it has a high, it has a low, it has a last. Okay? So, and you can see here that there is no information. The market has stopped at 1 o'clock. Today, because of the holidays, the stock market has stopped at 1 o'clock. That's why after 1 o'clock there is no information. Okay? So this is if you are a day trader. Okay? If you are a day trader, you do this. As I told you, you can change this color, but for me, I like the green and the red because they are all in almost brokers. When they supply information, they give you these 2 colors. Green, it means you are making money, it's everything very good for you. But when it is red, it means that the stock is been going down and you lose money. And it's a funny, good colors to use because everybody knows these colors. Okay, you can change, for example, the chart, the layout to become white and to use this as white or green or yellow, whatever colors you want. But it's better to have the colors as it is. At least, let's say when you want to ask me a question and you give me the same chart, I will be very quick understand what you mean than when you change the layout. Okay? So all these, as I told you, and you can see one part in the top here, which is the stock, and you can see the other part, which is the volume. Now the volume, I can click this X and I take it from my chart because I don't need it. But I will show you later why I need this chart, this volume. Now you can see here when you click, you just hover your mouse here near this price. You see dots like this. This, it means you can change the way the chart looks like. You can change, you can put it down, put it up. So I leave it, for example, like this. There is another one, another line here. As you can see, you can take it up, take it down, up, down. It is just the way you want to see the chart. Okay. Now let's go to another thing which is very important. Okay. FB is the symbol of the company. FB is the symbol when you put in any, like in Nasdaq or New York Exchange. When you put FB or even in Google, you put FB stock, it will take you to Google price. Facebook Inc. is the name of the company. Internet is the sector that it belongs to. It's the sector, internet. It means these stocks, these companies, they don't operate into stores to sell things, but everything is online. Like Amazon, okay? Like Amazon, like Facebook, like Yahoo, everything is online. That's why it belongs to internet. Now, the industry that it belongs to is called Internet Information Providers. Just a sector where we have a lot of stocks. Okay? Now, if you, for example, if you want to know what are the other stocks that belongs to this, like Facebook, what you should do, you go down here, okay, and you click this one, you go to internet, as you can see here, internet, this is the sector. I want to go, for example, in industry called Internet Information Providers, okay? This is the group of stocks that are belong to the same. So if I click it, I will have all the stocks. I will have the index. This is the index, how the index is doing. Now, what the index shows you, this index shows you, it is called MG852. It just shows you the whole majority of the stocks, what they are doing. Are they doing good or bad? As you can see, there is a big trend, so they are doing good. Now, if you want to know what are these stocks that are with Facebook, now you find here Google, okay? You find Baidu or Bidu, as you find Baidu, and always check. Internet is the sector. Internet Information Provider is the industry. Facebook, IAC, ABA or Altaba Internet. You find this Interaction Holding NV. You find ACAM. Okay, as you can see, all the stocks that belong, and you find sector, internet, and you find internet information provider as the industry. Okay. Now let's go, for example, to let's see here. Now this is the daily. Okay. This is the daily, as you can see. Now let's see. I give you something that I talked about before. Is the volume. Now I have the volume, but I don't use it in my trading. It means it has no really importance. So why I have the volume here? The volume is only to show me if the bid and the ask is tight. Okay, the bid and the ask, it means if I want to buy and to sell, what is the difference between, is it 1 cent or less? What is it a good thing? Okay, so this is why I use the volume. So the volume, I don't use it when the volume is high I buy, or the volume is low I don't buy. No, I don't do that. Okay, I use it only for the bid and ask to have an idea. But some stocks I already know. I know that they have a high volume. Now let's say Facebook and other stocks, they have high volume. I know already because I traded them a lot. Okay, so this is for the chart. I will be making more videos for explanation. Please stay tuned.